Rise and shine. I need coffee before anything else. This traffic is insane. Let's grab lunch together. Good night, sleep tight. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. First of all, Ramzan Mubarak to everyone. As you know, I am Mehroze. I hope you are all feeling great and enjoying Ramadan. So, welcome back to my YouTube channel, English Mastery with Mehroze. So friend, do you ever feel stuck when speaking English? Want to sound more natural and confident? Well, today I am giving you 40 powerful English phrases that native speakers use every single day, from morning to night. Master these and you will speak English like a pro in no time. Plus, stay till the end for a bonus tip that will skyrocket your fluency. Let's dive in. Morning phrases. Let's start with some morning phrases you can use right after waking up. Rise and shine. Rise and shine. I slept like a rock. I slept like a rock. 5 more minutes please. 5 more minutes please. I feel so refreshed. I feel so refreshed. Let's kickstart the day. Let's kickstart the day. What's the plan for today? What's the plan for today? I need coffee before anything else. I need coffee before anything else. I am running late, gotta hurry. I am running late, gotta hurry. Let's make today a great one. Let's make today a great one. Travel and commute phrases. Now that we are up and ready, let's move on to phrases for commuting. Could you give me a ride? Could you give me a ride? This traffic is insane. This traffic is insane. Excuse me, is this seat taken? Excuse me, is this seat taken? How long will it take to get there? How long will it take to get there? I will be there in 10 minutes. I will be there in 10 minutes. I missed my bus. I missed my bus. Let's carpool and save time. Let's carpool and save time. I love listening to music on my way to work. I love listening to music on my way to work. Work and school phrases. Now let's learn some useful phrases for the workplace or school. Good morning, team. Good morning, team. Could you help me out with this? Could you help me out with this? Let's brainstorm some ideas. Let's brainstorm some ideas. I will take care of it. I will take care of it. I am swamped with work today. I am swamped with work today. Let's grab lunch together. Let's grab lunch together. This sounds like a great plan. This sounds like a great plan. Let's wrap this up before the deadline. Let's wrap this up before the deadline. Evening phrases. After a long time, it's time to relax. Here are some phrases for your evening conversations. How was your day? How was your day? I am completely drained. I am completely drained. Let's go out for dinner. Let's go out for dinner. This food is delicious. This food is delicious. I need some time. Shall we watch a movie tonight? Shall we watch a movie tonight? Shall we watch a movie tonight? Let's go for a walk and get some fresh air. Let's go for a walk and get some fresh air. Nighttime phrases. Before going to bed, here are some night phrases you can use. I had an amazing day. I had an amazing day. Let's call it a day. Let's call it a day. I need to hit the sack. I need to hit the sack. Good night, sleep tight. Good night, sleep tight. Sweet dreams. Sweet dreams. See you bright and early. See you bright and early. Tomorrow is a fresh start. Tomorrow is a fresh start. So friend, now it's time to share a bonus tip. Wait, if you still don't subscribe my YouTube channel, please give it a thumb up. So, do you want to improve your English faster? Speak these phrases out loud every day. Also, listen to native speakers and try copying their pronunciation. Alright, if you found this video helpful, give this a thumb up, share it with friends, and subscribe for more easy English lessons. The more you use them, the more natural they will feel. See you in next video, and